mean to me.
I'm sorry, what?
People were mean to me. Some of the people at the program.
What did he say?
People were mean to me.
People were mean to you? How so?
Just mistreating me.
How so?
Calling me names and trying to start fights with me.
And who are these people?
Just some of the people, inmates that were in the program.
Okay. So what's your diagnosis?
Schizophrenia, depression.
All right, Ms. Abrams.
The way that it happened was he basically left PPR. He escaped the program. He was there for 3 days and was unsuccessfully discharged. This is his third MTR.
Is he on any type of medications? Does anybody know, is he current on his medications?
In my conversation with him, our visit that we had for the gym, my understanding is that that is in flux, but he has met with the mental health at.
All right, what does that mean that's in flux? Is he on his medications?
So that's my understanding, but they could have been, I always ask whether or not they, even though I'm not a doctor, Your Honor, are the meds working for you? So when I say something like, are they in flux, and he gives me a different answer, that's what I meant. Sorry. You recall that conversation?
All right, once you're released from prison, if I follow this agreement, do you have a place to go?
That's all.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to revoke you in each cause number. The court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. The court will request the therapeutic community. And I'll ask for the mental health unit at the prison. All right, did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Oh, and I'm sorry, these cause numbers will run concurrently. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
That's all.
All right, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
That's all.
All right, good luck to you.
We have excuse, Your Honor.
Yes, thank you. All right. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 3014W and 2023 CR 8440 State versus Amadean Smith. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Attorney Phil Simmons for defense.
And are you Mr. Smith?
That's all.
And each cause numbers, did you review the motion to revoke community supervision and first amended motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
That's all.
Are you the same Amadean Smith who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 3014W
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
offense of harassment of a public servant on March 4th, 2024 for a term of 8 years?
That's all.
And are you the same Ahmed Bayam Smith who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 8440 for the offense of harassment of public servant on March 4th, 2024 for a term of 8 years? Is that you?
That's all.
State, are you proceeding on the same allegations in each motion?
Yes, Your Honor, and that's violation of condition number 40. On or about the first day of August 2025 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Amadean Jordan Smith, did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bear County Community Supervision and Corrections Department's fully diagnosed residential that the defendant was successfully discharged from the program in violation of condition number 40.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
All right, off the record for a moment. I don't have that as a allegation in cause number ending in 40. I have it in 14W. Do y'all have it in 40? Ah, okay. All right, thank you. We're back on the record. All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 40, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison?
So,
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 40? In each cause number, the court will find violation of condition number 40 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, it is to grant the state's motion, revoke the defendant's community supervision, and reform the judgment to reflect a 5-year sentence in prison. In each cause number. To run concurrent.
Okay. Is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. So with him receiving, all, time for all the time that he has already.
Are you asking me to follow this agreement?
that's fine.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
That's fine.
All right. So you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
That's fine.
All right, you can lower your hand. So why were you not successful with the program? You're doing a UA today. What's the result going to be?
Doesn't make sense.
All right, why are you not doing your UAs?
I don't have an explanation.
Do you want to go to prison?
No, ma'am.
The range of punishment on these cases, on the case ended in 8-9, the range of punishment is up to 10 years in the prison. Do you want to go to prison? The other range of punishment on the case ended in 0-0 is up to 2 years in the state jail facility. If you get sentenced to 2 years in the state jail facility, that's day for day. Do you understand? Do you want to go to prison? Then you had better find time. And this whole thing about you're just not doing it, why are you not doing it?
I don't have an explanation.
All right, so let me just tell you, this is the last conversation we're going to have about this. The next conversation we have, if we have one in regards to you're not reporting for your UAs, you're not making payments towards your financial obligations, what's going to end up happening, I'm going to see this, there's not going to be a compliance hearing. They're going to ask me what should be done. You see where that other is checked? I'm going to put file MTR. And then what will end up happening if a motion to revoke is filed, you'll end up being taken into custody. Police will arrest you wherever you may be. If you're about to have dinner, they'll arrest you right there. If you're in line to pick up your children, they'll arrest you in line if they find you there. And then you will be taken to the Bexar County Jail. You either make bond or not make bond. You'll either hire an attorney or one will be appointed for you, and we will hear the motion to revoke. And then if the allegations in the motion to revoke are found true, you're looking at potentially 10 years in one case and 2 in the other. Do you understand?
Yes.
You are not to miss another UA testing. Do you understand? And you're going to provide a UA today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Anything
idea.
else?
Judge, the CSO is asking for his conditions to be amended to include the IVR hotline for 60 days, complete the aggressive driving course, and enroll in his GED courses within 30 days.
All right. Are you currently employed?
No, ma'am. I'm self-employed.
Huh?
I'm self-employed.
Doing what?
Mechanical.
So I don't even understand why you can't make these appointments. Because if you're self-employed, you make your own hours.
On the driving one, I'm doing that.
I'm
I'm
sorry, what?
already enrolled in the driving course.
The defensive driving?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then you need to provide them proof of that because they don't have proof of that. And if you don't provide them proof, you might as well not have done it. All right, you understand?
And complete it.
Yes, sir.
And what is the issue with the GED?
I'm still looking into one of the schools, see if I could get enrolled.
All right, so here's the thing. With the GED, I'm going to give him a choice. He can either do the GED or go to a trade school, do something to improve his lot in life. Because I realize that sometimes the GED is more difficult for
Is it?
people.
Okay.
Well, I mean, sometimes it's difficult because I think they want you to do math. You know what I think I should do, Vashon? Before I leave, I should make defense attorneys take the GED test and see if any of them will pass. All right. So you're gonna alternate main conditions. It's gonna be the IVR hotline, or either you can do the patch. And you're gonna provide them proof of your enrollment in the defensive driving course. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're gonna take a UA today. All right,
The IVR hotline, how often do you want him tested?
once a week.
60 days.
Let's do 30 and see how he does. I don't want to interfere with other things he has to complete.
The important thing is you have to finish this because your probation is running out and this judge will revoke you. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, Mr. Seeloff.
Thank you. I'll talk to the coordinator.
Witness, that's all.
Sir, can you hear me okay?
You raise my hand again?
Now, are you able to hear?
Oh, barely.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes.
All right. So while the offense occurred in November of 2020, you're aware that you were not formally indicted until October of 2023. Is that correct?
I was unaware.
Okay. So you were unaware that any charges were pending against you until 2023. Is that correct?
I was unaware that any charges were against me until recently, like a few months ago.
Okay. And then you had a court setting that was set on January 5th of 2026 that you failed to appear to. Is that correct?
I thought that was allowed to be like Zoom call. I think so. Correct.
I'm
In
sorry,
short.
just stop for a moment. The court reporter is unable to hear. I'm unable to hear. So, did you hear the state's last question?
It was about a court hearing in January, correct?
The question was,
Can you hear me?
did you fail to appear to your court setting on January 5th of 2026?
I did, because I thought the case had been dismissed at that point.
Okay, why did you think that?
Can we hear me?
Why did you think the case had been
Because I got a message from my lawyer saying that the case had been dismissed by my lawyer, but he had explained to me that there was another A. Shepard in his file that he attended for court that same day. So I guess he confused my case with his, and that's why I wasn't present.
Okay, and then you were arrested for this offense in December of 2025. Is that correct?
Yes, I was extradited.
Okay, and that's when you were made aware of the charges pending against you?
There is something almost
Yes.
poetic
Okay.
about the way a single morning docket can hold all of human nature at once. In one room, on one Tuesday in March, a man spent years fighting a charge he didn't know existed. He lost 3 jobs. He got extradited from another state. His own attorney sent him a text meant for a different client. And when he finally had his day in court to argue that the system had treated him unjustly, the judge told him no. In that same room, another man stood before the same judge and explained that he had escaped a residential treatment program after 3 days, a program that was the alternative to prison, because the other people there were mean to him. That was his answer, under oath, on his 3rd probation violation in less than 2 years. And in between, there was a man who, despite being self-employed and setting his own hours, could not find time to take a single drug test in 8 months. The judge had to walk him through the precise sequence of events that would lead to his arrest, at dinner, in the school pickup line, wherever he happened to be, before he seemed to understand that his freedom was genuinely at risk. 3 men, 1 morning, 1 judge. The system does not always produce fair outcomes, but watching how people show up to it, or don't, reveals something true about the choices we make when the stakes are highest. Some people are failed by the system, some people fail themselves, and sometimes, in a courtroom, you can see both happening at the same time. If you found this case as eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns, because justice never gets old.